Okay, so me and my friend decided to load as many Nerf gun darts as possible into our really long half-inch PVC pipe. So he's gonna go ahead and start loading the darts in. Okay, so now we have all the darts into our really long PVC pipe. So I'm gonna go bring it over to the end so we can watch. Okay, we are beginning to fire in 3, 2, 1, now. So there's our Nerf dart thing. I will go ahead and show it to you in slow motion in just a few seconds. Okay, we reloaded it and now we're back for a second shot. There's probably going to be another one after this, but this one's a better view so we can see where they all go. Okay, we're going to fire in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're probably going to do a shot from in the other room so you can see him better. Okay, here's a third shot of our Nerf Air Raid. This is from it, so the darts should be hitting those double doors right over there. I'm gonna go run and support the gun. Support the gun! Join the army. Okay, firing in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was our other shot, and I think it looked pretty good, so might be one more. I don't know, because this is really cool for all of us, because we never did this before. Okay, here's one more shot. This time it's going to be coming towards the camera that my finger is pointing at, which should be the one you're viewing through. So there might be a couple darts hitting it. Well, so it might be really loud if they hit it straight on the speaker or something. Well, I'm going to go hold it up. 3, I'm firing in 3, 2, 1, now. That was a pretty good shot, so I think that's probably all we're going to do for now. So, bye. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. The end.